for almost 12 years. Right now, my position is manager. Ito ko ngayon sa Iloilo kasi may mga binibenta kaming mga project which is Style Residences just beside SM Mandurriao and Glade Residences along Haro, Iloilo, and also the Smile Residences along Bacolod. And right now guys, kasama ko si Miss Cherry Ariston, one of my marketing partner na taga dito sa Iloilo. That's why we can assure you an after service. Miss Cherry, pakilala ka sa kanila in language na Iloilo.
Hello everyone, ako si Cherry Ariston, taga dito sa Iloilo. So, ma-assist din naman kamo if you will reserve a unit dito sa Iloilo.
Yes, ayun lang, and you can also visit our showroom. Message nyo lang kami pag on the way na kayo so we can prepare kasi malapit lang naman kami dito sa SM Mandurriao para makita nyo yung showroom namin. You can trusted us guys, and here's our valid ID. Yan. Legit po ito. So ayun, see you guys! Hi, as you can see, that is the Style Residences at the back of SM Mandurriao, Iloilo with my marketing partner, Cherry Ariston. Ayan. Malapit na yung turnover nito. Kaya nag-o-offer na kami ng mga Give Me 5 payment scheme. Yung kasing Give Me 5, once na ready na yung unit nyo, makakaroon kayo ng thank you letter kay SMBC na congratulations na pwede nang i-accept or i-turn over yung unit. Yun ang kinagandahan ng Give Me 5 promo. And kung hindi ka naman nagmamadali at you can wait, meron kaming payment term na staggered payment na no down payment. Pwede nating pag-usapan yung guys. Ang reservation fee lang dito kay Style Residences is 20,000 peso. And after 30 days ka pa magda-down payment or mag-i-start ng monthly. Depende sa payment term na mapipili mo. Style Residences. Ang kinagandahan nito, meron tayong mga amenities kagaya ng swimming pool, gym, basketball court, hotel-like lobby, jogging path area, gazebos, kids area, so you can enjoy, and function room. Pag may mga occasion, pwede kayong mag-celebrate. Ayun guys, napakaganda at may enjoy mo talaga ang 5-star amenities na meron kami dito kay Style Residences. Style Residences is located here at the back of SM Mandurriao, Iloilo. Very accessible and prime location. Walking distance to all your basic needs. Pag gusto mo mag-shopping, meron na tayo dyan supermarket. Pag gusto mo naman kumain sa restaurants, kompleto tayo dyan. Meron din tayong Watson for basic needs. Lahat na nandito na, and napakalapit lang din niya sa mga hotels, hospitals, schools, and major establishment, convention center, and we all know naman na Iloilo is one of the tourist destination here in Visayas. So, mataas din yung potential niya for staycation, daily staycation like Airbnb and Booking.com. And also, kung gusto mong ipa-long term, marami ding magre-rent kasi dahil sa location, which is prime, kaya mas mataas yung rental value niya. If you want to invest here in Style Residences, feel free to contact me below or here's my Viber WhatsApp. We can also set a Zoom presentation. Pwede nating pag-usapan ang details ng Style Residences. Again guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel, and see you from my next vlog for more updates about SMDC condos. See you from my next vlog.